Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you're building a website with Squarespace, in 2026, image galleries are one of the best ways to showcase your work, tell a visual story, and make your site feel premium. So perfect for portfolios and brands, keeps layouts clean, fully responsive on mobile. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add an image gallery in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, Squarespace offers several gallery layouts: grid, masonry, slideshow, okay, stacked. So pick the layouts before adding images. Okay, so add gallery blocks. So log into Squarespace, open your page editor. Okay, so for example, let's choose a page. For example, let's edit this one. Then click add block or add section. Select image, open your page editor. Okay, click add block. As I said, select gallery. This is the main gallery tool. Okay, so inside the gallery block, upload image or images from your computer, or select existing sites images, rearrange by drag and drop. Order matters, users scan left or right. Okay, so choose gallery layouts and settings, open gallery settings and adjust layout type, spacing between images, aspect ratio, okay, light box on or off. So less spacing equals modern look. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.